Hey there, Executive Fitness Club. Omari here from Tourist SEO. Just wanted to send you this quick video because we're looking for a fitness company or a personal training business in Bowling Green to work with, and we came across your guys on Google. So we just wanted to send you this quick video as goodwill, just to show you some ways that you can definitely help your SEO. We did find your guys via Google. We found you here, on the top of the third page of Google, really, when ideally you want to be here. You want to be on the front page of Google. You want to be beating out Bowling Green Athletic Club, Planet Fitness anytime, getting this top spot right here organically. There's definitely ways and strategies that are proven to do this. So I just wanted to send you this video just to show you some ways on how you can beat out these guys. Work at any time. This guy's your top competitor. These are your top competitors. And there's proven ways that you can really beat them out, so you can get more qualified clients calling you, waiting for that interview to potentially become a member for your exclusive gym. You know what I mean? So I understand you guys are an exclusive gym. This is something where you're vetting your clients to see if they're a good fit. But the more clients you can vet, the better your clients will be, and then the more stable your gym will be, especially when things open up and people want to stop working out from their homes and getting into an actual gym and fitness facility. So the first thing that you guys want to do is you want to get some more content, on your home page. You definitely do have a map, and the website is really well built. It's got some good imagery. It's really nice. It's really clean and smooth. You have good coloring. So, I'm not suggesting redoing anything with your website's branding, but you definitely do want to get some more content on your homepage. When Google comes through, it scrolls to see what words are on your homepage. It keeps going to see exactly what words are on there. If it's a link, what those keywords are, because it wants to see if you are an authority in whatever space you are in. So if you come to Google and you type in horses, for example, since we are in Kentucky, you type in horses and you come down here, Wikipedia is the first thing you see. After a couple YouTube videos, because everyone's watching videos. Wikipedia is the first thing you see, because they're the authority on horses, everything horse related. You can just see just the way they break down their content. Anything horse related, Wikipedia will have it, even though it may not be the most trusted, but people more or less trust Wikipedia. I think more people do than don't, which is why Google ranks it so highly, just because of the verified and quality content relating to this topic that it gives. And I'm sure you've experienced this before. Wikipedia is one of the first things that pops up when you're searching something. So this is a key example of how content is key. So you definitely do want to have a lot more content on your front page. The next thing you want to do is you want to put your phone number up here. You want to get your phone number here on the top left, top right hand corner, because when someone's coming in to look at your website, they're mostly doing it via their phone. So if there's a phone number, they can just immediately click on and call your guys' office. It'll definitely give you a higher conversion rate with trying to vet more clients. The next thing, after getting your phone number up there, is getting some backlinks. Backlinks are pretty much the bread and butter of your website ranking. So if we come over here, we type in your website address here into this backlink and backend metric verify. You can see that you have no trust flow and no citation flow. You pretty much have almost no back end. There's really no websites linking to your front page. So you really want to go ahead and work really hard to try and get your trust flow and citation flow up. the more votes you have from websites, the better, because it just shows that you're an authority. People want to send traffic to your website, because you are an authority in whatever it is, whether it's fitness, CrossFit, gym, personal training, whatever. When other websites send you links, or other websites link to your site, the more votes you have. And the key thing is quality. You want quality links coming to your website. If you look at your main competitor, OP Fitness KY, you can see they have 7 referring domains, or 7 domains that are linking, to their website, and they have a trust flow of 8. So a trust flow of 8, it's not a lot. It really is not much, but because they're these guys aren't doing a lot, but it's more than what everyone else is doing. So you can definitely beat these guys out and get to the top spot over in Google, with getting some good quality backlinks. And the next thing I do want to show you guys, which is very key that not a lot of people realize, is getting your Google My Business listing. I'm sure your GMB is here under more places. We just have to search it. But to get to these top spots, you really want to have some reviews. You can see Planet Fitness has 212, Anytime 38, Bowling Green Athletics 79. If you get more people to use Google to write you reviews, Google will reward it to you by bumping you up in the listings for the Google My Business, and then you'll be more prominent in this top 3 once people are looking for gyms or fitness near Bowling Green. So hey, hopefully those 4 tips prove to be pretty useful. During this time, of contraction, a lot of people are working out at home. Eventually, they're gonna want to leave. They're gonna want to go to a gym. So making sure that your company's website, your gym's website, is taking this prime real estate up top. It's taking priority position, and people aren't having to go to look for it. If your company is here in this prime spot, you'll definitely be able to get more clients, definitely be able to convert more, be pickier with your clientele, and get your gym to maximum occupancy, so that you guys can thrive, and who knows, potentially open up another location. That's something that you're interested in. So hey, hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully it proved to be some good value. If you have any questions, please just reply to the email you got this video link in, or just message me at taurusseo.co@gmail.com. More than happy to talk to you. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Hey, have a beautiful day.